Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn 3 ways to say "I don't care" in Austrian German. What this has to do with the word sausages or plum jam, we will find out during this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the Austrian German tutorial. So, here we go. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn 3 ways to say "I don't care" in Austrian German. First of all, EGAL is a very common way to say that you don't care. EGAL. In standard German, people use the phrase "Das ist mir egal" to say "I don't care." In Austria, you will hear the sentence "Dies ist mir egal." This is my egal. A very important word in this context is WURST. WURST. In Austria, you will often come across the phrase "This is my WURST." If you hear "This is my WURST," the person wants to say "I don't care." WURST actually means sausage. But in English, that sausage wouldn't mean anything, but it is also often used to say "I don't care." If you want to know more about Austrian phrases, please check out this video. Furthermore, the word "Povidl" is used to say "I don't care" as well. Povidl actually means plum jam, but also stands for disinterest or indifference. This is my Povidl, as Austrians like to put it, "I don't care, this is my Povidl." Now I'd like to show you 3 words to make the expression stronger. For instance, "This is mir komplett egal", komplett egal. "This is mir vollkommen egal", vollkommen egal. "This is mir total egal", total egal. Meaning completely, absolutely, totally. With the help of these words, "I don't care" can be made stronger. Summing up, we can conclude that with the help of the words egal, WURST and Povidl, we can say "I don't care" in Austrian German. So thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen und Servus.